Sleek phones are the latest market trend and following that trend, Infinix has come up with the Note Edge 5G. इस फोन में आपको कुछ ऐसी चीजें मिलती हैं जो आपको इस फोन की याद दिला सकती है। वेल, आई एम योर होस्ट अजित अरोड़ा। चलिए टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं, सीधा शुरू करते हैं। As I already told you, this phone is a sleek premium looking smartphone. It is 7.2 mm thick and weighs only 185 grams, which is well distributed around the body, so you can easily use it with one hand. The back does not attract fingerprint smudges, but the camera bump is completely opposite. I use this phone as my secondary device and it neither slips from the hands nor has any mistouch issues. There is an extra button that you can customize, but you can only map it for long press. There is no single or double press options. This phone features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate with up to 4500 nits peak brightness. The display does not disappoint. It offers a vibrant and punchy binge watching experience. The blacks and white balancing is nice, so if you are into anime or sci-fi, then you won't complain about the display. But the audio out is not very good, so if you are using it outdoor, then you need to use your earbuds. The haptics are decent, but if you are someone like me जिसको strong haptics पसंद है, तो आप थोड़ा disappoint हो सकते हो. And at the back you get this RGB halo light which looks cool. It lights up for notification, calls, gaming, and even for music, giving a gamer vibe to your phone. The Infinix Note Edge comes with Dimensity 7100 processor, which is the latest mid-range chipset from MediaTek. And to test this, we ran multiple tests and all the results are on your screen. In Antutu benchmark, it scored almost 8 lakh, which is fine, and even in 3D Mark test, it shows good stability. But we can't stick to these results only. We test the device even more. While using general daily apps, the result is fine and you won't see a delay response. But if you use multiple apps at the same time, then you will notice some lagging. App opening and switching is fine. You won't see any major issues. While calling, you get good network connectivity and the network remains stable in metro commute as well. We played many games like BGMI, Asphalt and Subway Surfer on this device. While playing BGMI at HDR and Ultra, the result is laggy and in just 30 minutes of gameplay, we notice the device heating up. But if you want to play BGMI for long hours, then you can use balanced graphics settings. While playing Asphalt, the result is much better. I mean, I played the game for almost 1 hour and the device didn't heat much, the graphics were fine and the gameplay was smooth. And while playing Subway Surfer, the gameplay was much better and enjoyable. Moving on, let me tell you, this phone comes with XOS 16 and the overall look is very similar to this phone. The Infinix Note Edge features a dual rear camera and the main camera is a 50 megapixel sensor. At the front, you get a 13 megapixel selfie shooter. Firstly, let's talk about the main camera. In good lighting condition, the rear camera is reliable. I mean, the result is detailed with good HDR and vibrant tone, but the dynamic range is not good. If you click pictures at 2x, then there is a slight detail loss, but everything else is fine. Portrait pictures are detailed, maintaining the edge detection and bokeh effect, and you get a natural skin tone as well. But in low light, the result loses on the details. And अगर आप ज़्यादा low light में shoot करते हैं, तो you will notice grains as well. Now it's time for the selfie camera. The selfie result is much more detailed and the dynamic range is also fine. But if you look at it closely, then you will notice a warm tone in almost all type of pictures. The Infinix Note Edge can record videos up to 2K 30 FPS, but if you turn on steady mode, then it switches back to 1080p. The result on steady mode are usable, but अगर आप उसके बिना वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करते हैं तो काफी shaky result आता है. The video result is fine and the dynamic range is okay, but the colors look a bit unnatural. The Infinix Note Edge packs a 6500 mAh battery in this slim body. When I start using the phone, it was at 70% battery and it lasts for almost a day. After discharging the phone completely, full charge is achieved in 1 hour 30 minutes with the 45-watt charger given in the box. After a full charge, I use this phone for more than a day, even with extreme high uses. But if you are a moderate user, the phone can last for almost 1.5 days. So is the Infinix Note Edge worth your 21,999? Well, if you want a premium looking slim design phone with a good display, solid battery and decent camera performance, then this could be an option for you. But if you care about performance, then you can look out for other options too. Well, what do you think? Do let us know in the comment section and subscribe to Gadget 360 for more such unbiased reviews.